Hello everyone, and welcome to my sister wife's bombshell channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. The life of Kody Brown was interesting. Fans of Sister Wives are already aware of his background in both spiritual and formal marriages, leading him to become a polygamist. However, since the start of the show 10 years ago, a lot has changed. With the exception of Robin, all of his wives have left him. Kody has been accusing them of severing the family ever since. With the exception of one, Kody's children, Meri, Janelle, and Christine, are now all grown adults. He had ingenious techniques to make sure Truly continued to communicate with him during the divorce from his third wife. But according to a recent development in this case, Christine has finally made the decision to consult attorneys over her custody dispute. What is happening? Since she broke up with Kody Brown, Christine's journey has been filled with ups and downs. At first, her action was met with disapproval and she was heavily criticized. However, Sister Wives fans are happy to see her doing well these days. Alongside her new husband David Woolley, Christine is in Utah. Truly Brown, her youngest child with Kody, is being raised by them both. Since Truly is only 14 years old, she is considered a minor. It's important for viewers to keep in mind that Kody was a polygamist and had previously been legally married to both Meri and Robin, while Janelle and Christine were just spiritually married. Christine has now submitted documentation to prove Truly's paternity as a result. Christine is also asking Kody for child support at the same time. Supporters of Sister Wives are happy to see the former take this kind of parental move. After the epidemic, viewers saw how Kody's priorities shifted and that the only people he would spend time with were Robin's family. His connection with Truly and all the other youngsters started to get strained. Supporters are unsure of Kody's reaction to this information. For the case, Christine already has an attorney. Fans of Sister Wives, nevertheless, have not heard from the polygamist as of yet. There are rumors that Kody and Robin are already facing financial difficulties. Thus, a child custody dispute and retaining legal counsel will undoubtedly do more harm than good. In Sister Wives, the topic of Truly has been discussed before. Kody became enraged with Christine just as she was determined to leave Flagstaff with her youngest daughter. He was thinking of ways to stop her from doing so. He thought of a lie to accomplish this. He claimed that Arizona or the state would get custody of their kid if Christine abducted her and took her to Utah. In order to guarantee that he gets to spend time with Truly, Kody sought a formal custody agreement. When Christine learned that her ex had lied to her about such a significant matter, she was shocked. She had gently stated that she genuinely wanted Kody around Truly and that she wanted everything to go nicely. However, it appears that they did not take any action in 2021. However, Christine is retaliating in 2024 and is more powerful than before. Her refusal to soften her feelings toward her ex and to stand up for what she believes is right has won her praise from fans. Christine Brown wants to provide Kody Brown's connection with his 14-year-old daughter, Truly, some structure. Fans of Sister Wives are aware that Kody's presence in the teen's life has changed over the past several years due to hardships. Christine is currently looking for a formal agreement that includes financial terms. According to court records that In Touch was able to obtain, Christine is bringing Kody before the judge to address issues related to child support and custody. Deciding who is the father is the first stage in that process. The birth certificate of his adolescent daughter does not list Kody Brown. Indeed, this holds true for each of the 6 kids he has had with Christine Brown. Christine and Kody had a spiritual marriage rather than a formal one, since Christine was his third wife after Meri and Janelle. Kody avoided appearing on the birth certificates of the children he shared with his spiritual spouses so as to conceal his polygamous tendencies from others. A more extensive legal process includes the paternity test. When a parent is not included on the birth certificate, paternity needs to be proven. Following that decision, they can proceed with deciding on custody, a schedule, and any required child support payments. Christine Brown requested a domestic relations injunction from the court in addition to those measures. With the injunction, neither party may engage in harassment, domestic abuse, service cancellation or modification, non-routine travel with children without court orders or permission, or denigrate or disparage the other party. It's no secret that Kody and Christine still harbor animosity for one another. This time, the drama involving the well-known Brown family from Sister Wives is approaching a legal breaking point. Christine Brown, a popular character from the reality TV program Sister Wives and one of Kody Brown's former wives, has allegedly filed a lawsuit against him in an attempt to get custody of their kids and child support. The gradual dissolution of their formerly cohesive poly-family unit and months of public conjecture led to the court case. Fans are taken aback by Christine's apparent pursuit of formal paternity for her children, raising concerns about Kody's role as a father. Kody Brown's 4 wives, Meri, Janelle, Christine, and Robin, are profiled in Sister Wives. The program has examined the subtleties of polygamous life over the years, delving into Kody's relationships with each of his wives, the difficulties they face, and the particular family dynamics that result from having multiple husbands. Kody's 3rd wife, Christine Brown, was once regarded as the family matriarch. She was often a voice of reason, and a lot of her followers related to her struggles to reconcile being a wife and mother in such an unusual family structure. The relationship between Christine and Kody grew worse, particularly after it seemed as though Kody was shifting his attention to Robin, his 4th wife. The Brown family's first significant breakup since the start of the show came when Christine declared in 2021 that she was divorcing Kody. Her decision unleashed a wave of empathy and support from the public, with many fans thinking that Kody had passed her over in favor of Robin. After tensions between her and Kody grew over the course of a year, Christine made the choice to file for custody and child support. The couple appears to be at odds primarily over their youngest daughter, Truly, who is still a minor, despite the fact that they have 6 children together: Aspen, Michael, Paydon, Gwendolyn, Isabel, and Truly. Christine has reportedly been the one bearing the majority of the costs associated with raising Truly. After splitting from Kody, Christine relocated to Utah in order to start over. But as a cause of contention, Kody's seeming lack of financial assistance has led Christine to file a lawsuit. The court filing purports to ask for Truly's complete custody and child support. Christine claims that Kody hasn't contributed enough to Truly's upbringing since their split and is asking for financial assistance. Christine's complaint paints a contrasting image, suggesting that despite Kody's outspoken declarations of devotion to his kids, she feels abandoned in raising their child. Unexpectedly, Christine's legal team is also attempting to prove her children's paternity. Even though Kody has always been acknowledged by the public as Christine's father, obtaining legal fatherhood would formalize his obligations in a manner that surpasses their previous multiple marriage arrangement. The legal procedure through which a court officially acknowledges a father's paternal rights and obligations is known as paternity establishing. This stage is particularly crucial since the father's legal status may be unclear in a polygamous marriage, especially when it comes to issues of child support and custody. Christine makes sure that Kody is legally required to support Truly by proving paternity. According to Kody Brown, this case could result in a devastating financial and legal struggle. Establishing paternity could open the door for future legal disputes with his other children in addition to potentially requiring him to pay back child support. Furthermore, Kody's influence over Truly's life might be significantly diminished if Christine is given full custody of her. Kody has previously discussed the strain on their finances that comes with raising a large family, and this lawsuit might make matters worse. Viewers of sister marriages have always been curious about the financial situation of the Brown family, who have 18 children and 4 marriages. Concerns concerning Kody's capacity to meet the financial obligations imposed upon him are brought up by Christine's lawsuit. The Brown family has had mixed feelings since hearing the news. Some have been less willing, but Christine has gotten an amazing amount of sympathy from supporters and even some of her former sister wives. Another of Kody's wives, Janelle, is good friends with Christine and might publicly back her even though she hasn't made an official statement yet. Robin and Meri, meanwhile, have said nothing about the matter. The other wives have long argued about Robin's relationship with Kody. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't miss any update.